Okay, property code WT3 Smoke alarms in every room, the landing, hallway and kitchen. This one's ionisation. It's basically so yeah, here smoke and stuff. So basically, so if it goes off, the red light will go here, all interlinked. If it's just chirping once every 30 seconds, the battery's low. Contact us and we'll get it out. And that. If it's happening in the middle of the night, then you take it down by putting a screwdriver in here. I think I got that wrong. You put it in the other slot. And then you just slide it off there. So yeah. And actually these have a 10-year battery built in. Might as well end that now since I did it wrong. Thanks for watching.